Hi, everyone. My name is Akinshe Felabui, and I'm the CEO of the brand known as Salubata. And at Salubata, we make shoes from recycled plastic waste. Over the past few months, we've been able to garner over $80,000 revenue and also have over 900 recurrent paying customers. We've also gone ahead to further validate our course by winning at these national and global competitions. Here is our team with complementary skill sets that is necessary to scale our invention globally. Our mission is to produce the best quality shoes and wearable products that help people and planet. Over the past few years, we realized that in a year alone, there are over 381 million tons of plastic waste produced. The sad part of this is that only just about 9% of the plastic waste have ever been recycled. Now we have another recurrent situation whereby we have a lot of recycling companies around, but the volume of the plastic waste in the environment not only remains constant, but also more in the environment. And so we realize that we have more people reusing this plastic waste more, other than recycling or upcycling them in order to reduce the volume. So currently we have over 5 trillion plastics still floating in our oceans to date. So with the background in environmental science and in shoe design, we started imagining if we could convert all of this plastic waste to footwear. And we also realized that the potential for impact is so huge. And that is the reason why we decided to occupy this niche of recycled low-cost plastic shoes that makes a profit while also benefiting people and planet. Here is our invention. We currently have a patent in Nigeria and also in the US and 2 design rights. And aside that our shoes are made from plastic waste, they are also modular in nature. And compared to what our competitors are also offering, we sell at $44 compared to what they also offer. Here is our business model. We sell at $13.5. We produce at $10.5 and sell at $41.44 directly to end customers. We also have a franchise plan in the pipeline, which is about 3 to 4 years time. Here is our go-to-market strategy. Social impact. Because we realized that the downwind impact of this pollutant affects the people in the underserved communities the most. That is the reason why we decided to commit 5% of the profits of every shoe sold to the cause of empowering women in underserved communities. And our targets of this global footwear market share is about 0.0005%, and that is about $132 million in revenue per annum, and that is growing. And as such, we'll have really helped these women to contribute over $6.6 million to the cost of helping them, and also save over 40 million tons of these CO2 emissions per annum. Here is our roadmap. We started in 2018. We currently have our first 1,000 customers in July 2020 this year. And by 2024, we plan to initiate our franchise system to further scale our invention. Here is our financial. We are currently seeking a fund of $1 million to scale our invention. 55% of this will be dedicated into production. And that would mean that we have to employ a lot of people. We'll be able to produce over 41,000 shoes. And that will yield a revenue of $1.7 million per month. And 35% of this will be dedicated into marketing. That will yield over 117,000 paying customers. At the cost of acquisition per customer of $3, we would be able to increase our customer demand by 2.5 times and also further increase our franchise. 10% of the last 10% we dedicated into research and development to improve our current product and other ranges of products. I really hope you really buy into what we are doing here and also be able to scale our invention globally. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.
Salubata, you have 3 minutes, 45 seconds for question and answer from the judges.
Hey, this is Lawrence. Great, appreciate the presentation. Question about the just the unit economics of production and where you're producing. Maybe I missed that, but can you just walk me through that sort of very quickly? The cost of acquisition of materials, and then the production costs, and then ultimately where these things and how they're getting produced.
Yes. So thank you for the question. We currently get the products, the plastics, for free, and we produce them currently in Nigeria here. And going forward, the cost of producing the shoes is, the total cost is $13.5. And out of this, we have $3, maximum amount of $3 for customer acquisition that buys from us. So majorly the cost of making the shoes and buying is $13.5. And we make a profit of $27 on each shoe.
Is there any risk to the free model of customer inputs? Like, yeah.
Say it again.
You said your inputs, like the inputs are free, like you're getting the plastics for free, if I heard that correctly. Is there any risk to that, that somehow if this thing gets going, that it'll no longer be free and that'll all of a sudden be a cost?
Yes, so even if it comes at a cost, the people that take them, in a metropolitan like Lagos alone, there are over 1,200 tons of plastic waste produced on a daily basis, and that is waste already. And so even if we don't get it for free, we can take it for free. And so there is no risk attached to that right now.
Thank you.
Bella, thank you so much for your presentation. I'm curious, did you look at other models like Warby Parker, Tom's, or Rothy's, which I think for certain Tom's has a buy one, give one model? How do you think about those relative to how you structured the model, and what's differentiated about what you're doing?
All right, thank you for the question. Yeah, we really love what Tom's is doing. But aside that we make shoes, the shoes are made from plastic waste. Aside the fact that they're made from plastic waste, they are modular. And our invention is patented. We also have a design right on that. That's a competitive edge over that already. And aside that, because we realize that the downwind impact of the pollutants affect the people in the underserved communities the most, especially the women, that is the reason why we decided to commit 5% on the profit of every shoe sold to the cost of empowering these women in these communities. That is our model. Thank you.
Hi, Salubata. Tell us a little bit about the competitive arena. I've seen Timberland, I've seen a number of other people trying to do the same thing. How do you make sure that you defend your idea from even local startups as well as international?
Yes, so as it is, we currently have a patent for in Nigeria and also in the US. Aside that, we have 2 design rights on our invention. And aside that, we also have 2 trademarks on the brand itself. So for us, that is competitive edge. And the reason why customers would buy from us, why would they buy from us? The first thing they see is not even the fact that they are made from plastic, it's the designs of the shoes. The fact that they're modular really fascinates a lot of people. And so for us, it's the fact that they are modular, the fact that they are low cost, and the fact that you're buying, once you buy the modular sheet, you reduce your luggage of carriage. And so those are the reasons why customers